As the integration of renewable generation increases, there is a greater need for energy efficiency and demand flexibility. Additionally, the demand for air conditioning and space heating is rising around the world, and thus electrical demand is increasing. Reduction on peak hour electricity demand is a big priority in summer months to be able to meet the load.
Cooling not only consumes high electricity, but also uses synthetic refrigerants that are 1,000 to 4,000 times more dangerous than CO2 for global warming. Given the rise in temperatures, increasing population, and increasing demand for air conditioning, without any innovation in the sector, air conditioning would be responsible for 480 billion tons of CO2 equivalent by 2050.
That's why Enersion has developed the Energy Cubed, the ideal on-site energy solution. Simply put, it provides a building or home with clean cooling, heating, and electricity in one system, reducing energy costs by up to 60%. Currently, when the sun's rays fall onto a solar panel, only about 20% gets converted into electricity, while the remainder escapes in the form of heat. The Energy Cubed captures that escaped heat in the form of hot water, using hybrid panels while producing the same output of electricity. Thanks to Enersion's innovation, the hot water is then converted cleanly into cooling for your home or building. This magic happens with the help of nanoporous materials. It might seem hard to believe, without the use of any synthetic refrigerants or electricity, this water is turned to ice in a matter of seconds. The Energy Cubed continues producing domestic hot water and space heating during the winter months. Compared to solar panels alone, you get 4 times more energy and a payback on your investment in half the time. The system uses AI to optimize performance. And when the sun is unavailable, the heating and cooling continues uninterrupted using electricity from the grid.
Enersion's established products are quite large in size and capacity. So in order to meet the fast deadlines of the Incubatenergy Labs challenge, we worked with Enersion to develop a product that can be demonstrated quickly called the Solar Mobile Energy Cubed. This will be a self-contained shipping container that can provide heating, cooling, and electricity all on site with no grid connection. This is an interesting product that could be used as an emergency command post in the event of a natural disaster. So what we are designing will be able to be put on wheels where it can be shipped to multiple locations during and after the project.
Enersion's vision is to empower the world by providing sustainable energy for everyone. Moving forward, the mission is to transition into the next generation of green cooling, heating, and electricity production at lowest, if not zero, operational cost. Waste heat recovery is a tremendous untapped clean energy resource. When this huge potential is taken advantage of with Energy Cubed, trigeneration yields incredible results and benefits. Overall energy costs are reduced by up to 70%, GHG emissions are reduced by over 90%, and the payback period is shortened by 50%. Enersion's Energy Cubed has been in development since 2016. The system was pilot tested in 2019 at a data center in Toronto. In 2022, the most recent installment was a unit for the Royal Canadian Navy in Victoria, British Columbia. Currently, Enersion is working on the pilot project for mobile demonstration of the technology. Mobilization of the Energy Cubed is achieved with procurement of various components. While Enersion is entirely responsible for the manufacturing and testing of its chiller, remaining off-the-shelf parts of the mobile unit, such as the hybrid solar panels and the encompassing trailer, has been acquired from global suppliers.
In order to develop, implement, and test this tri-generation, clean, green, mobile, Energy Cubed product, we needed the help and collaboration and hard work from our entire team, which includes Enersion, Edison, GEB, Electrodunas, and EPRI.
The mobile solar energy cube will be able to get transported into any prospective area for obtaining performance data, such as this location in New York.
Localized results with higher accuracy will be available based on different conditions of different locations, such as weather, altitude, geography, etc. These would not only allow individualized outcomes to be observed on each site, but also instill confidence in installing stationary or off-grid systems.
With seamless integration to your current infrastructure, the addition of Enersion's Energy Cubed to any building instantly puts it at the forefront of sustainable practices. A clean, reliable, and cost-saving way to produce and use energy. Enersion. Energy Cubed.